Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert 3D into 2D in BricsCAD, so let's get straight into it. I will show you this quickest option, so let's get straight into it. Now, as you already know, this command line, right over here we will type in flat shot and hit enter. Now here it will open up this flat shot. You can now here change some colors, line type, line like the black, let's say for example, line color I will go with green. You can display these tangential edges, preserve entity layers and so on. When you're happy with that, just click create. And as that, now you can see that we have something in our 3D environment. So a 2D environment, so I will place it something like that, just for example. And yeah, here you can see now that this is somehow in 2D. Now we can also have some other option, so I will show you that too. If we type in here into the command line view base and hit enter, like that, view base. Okay, so please be informed that view base and drawing views are not suitable for architect drawing, the beam section. Okay, so hit OK. Now you will see here entire model, press this special view selection. So let's go with the entire model. I will go with 1, 2, 3 and hit enter. And like that, you will see that we have now created to the right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.